पिता पिता ही परम तपः, पिता साक्षात साक्षात तपस्या की मूर्तिमान विग्रह माना जाता है। प्रियंते सर्वत्र, यदि पिता प्रसन्न हो समस्त देवता लोग भी प्रसन्न हो जाए, असुस्त कार्य सिद्धि हो जाए।
Hare Krishna. So we were discussing about that why Krishna has taken birth in Yaduvansh. So here Gurudev is telling about that to follows the duty or the instruction of a father is the duty of a son. So the Guru, so Yadu didn't follow the instruction or order his father. So why he has become so much dharmic? What is dharma actually? So the person who are following the rules of the scriptures and who are not following the obeying of his father. So Bhagavan himself is saying, whatever the instruction I have given, so everybody has to follow that. But still, who are not following my instruction and the rules of the scriptures, so they are not following the dharma actually. So in this katha, I have given the definition of dharma and adharma definition. So I have given the definition of dharma and adharma. What is the definition of dharma? What is the definition of adharma? So we have already discussed about these all things yesterday. So Bhagavan himself is saying, so whatever someone is doing any bad deeds for me, so it is dharma. And accept me or against me if somebody is doing the good deeds also, so it is also adharma. So whatever you are doing, whatever you done, everything. So whatever the means of yagya means whatever the activity you are doing for the Vishnu, that is yagya, that is dharma. If so accept Bhagwan Vishnu and we are following so many rules of the scriptures, so that is not dharma, this is the adharma. Let's suppose that somebody are following the Varnashram dharma very nicely, but still they are not worshipping Shri Hari, so still it is not beneficial for them. So those who are not serving this kinds of Bhagwan and they are just following the Varnashram dharma, so they will get the lower stages. So they will get the lower planet. So everybody has followed all the good culture, traditions, everything, but still they are not following, they are not telling the lie. So they don't have any kinds of enmity with anybody. They are not thinking bad about anyone, but still they are not performing the bhajan of Lord Hari. So it means they will get downfall. So this is showed here. So the katha we were hearing, Yudhishthir Maharaj. So we have also told you the story of Mahabhagavad Yudhishthir Maharaj. So when Bhagwan told that there was an elephant whose name was Ashwathama, so Bhagwan told to Yudhishthir Maharaj. Yudhishthir just announced that Bhim has been killed. So he didn't say like this, but after that Bhagwan said Bhim, the elephant, has been killed. So he announced that. So it means that Bhagwan, at that time Bhagwan played the shankha.
मनुष्य अथवा हाथी समझो ये तो बोलने के पहली भगवान उन्होंने
So before saying the Manushya or the Kunj, Bhagwan played the Shankha, the conch. So Yudhishthir was so much Satyavadi, he always speaks the truth, but still he was not following the order of Bhagwan. So that's why Yudhishthir Maharaj has to taking the darshan of hell for one day. In the Mahabharata there is a story. So because he spoke the truth, still he has to go hell for one day. So who will discriminate that the Satya or Asatya, truth and lie? Bhagwan is saying that I am Satya. I am Satya. So Bhagwan is saying I am the form of Satya. So in this way, so the katha we were hearing, that we should always follow the instruction of father. This is just material things. Just I told you yesterday evening class that the son who knows the feelings of his father, of his or the desire of his father, and following that, so they are the Uttam son. They are the Uttam son. Just I given the example of Lord Ramchandra. Dashrath Maharaj didn't give the direct instruction to Lord Ram to go to the forest, but still he knew the feelings of his father, he knew the desires of his father, and he went to the forest. And in the same way, there is a story of Parshuram also. Parshuram, his father Yamadagni said, Parshuram, you have to cut the head of your mother. So Parshuram, he instantly, just after listening the order of his father, he cut the head of his mother. So he cut the head of his mother Renuka. So he followed the instruction of his father. So maybe you know the story. In this world, who can be like this, that who can kill his mother? But Parshuram, he followed the order of his father, and without any doubt, without any hesitation, he just followed the instruction of his father and cut the head of his mother. Madhyam. So the person who are following the instruction of his father, and they are doing that accordingly, so this is the Lord Ramchand is the Uttam Koti son, and Parshuram is the Madhyam Koti son. Parshuram is the Madhyam Koti son. Just his father is giving the order and he is followed that instantly. And the third one, father is saying something, given order, and sometimes they are following, sometimes they are not following. So there are many examples in this world. And another is, the fourth one is, Hinsa. So the person, the fourth one is, there are persons, they are not following the order of his father, but still, what are they doing? They are so much against their father. So they are just like Putra and Mutra. Mal, Mutra and son is equal. Like Mal, Mutra, like a stool and urine. They are like that. So actually, who is father? So there is one father in this world, and another is Parampita. Parampita Parmeshwar. One is father, one is Param father, means one is Pita, one is Parampita. So who is the Parampita of this world? Krishna Bhagwan. So if you are following the instruction of this material father, so you cannot get any benefit. So I have given you the example of Lord Ram and Parshuram. Actually, this is not the material example, because this is just for For giving the instruction for the common peoples, I have given you example because Lord Ram's Nitya father is Dashrath.
और रामचंद्र जी पिता जो दशरथ को नित्य ही है।
So Dashrath Maharaj is the eternal father of Lord Ram in Ayodhya.
इसलिए
That's why
रामचंद्र से भगवान है।
Ramchand is Bhagwan himself. So that's why he followed the order.
और वही पिता और पिता
And
के
this-
आदेश पालन करना चाहिए।
So that's why we should always
शुद्ध सदाचारी हो।
follow the instruction of the father who is doing, who is following the Shuddha Sadachar. So the person, if your father is drinking alcohol, so there is no need to follow his instruction. And the father who is engage himself in so many kinds of bad activities, and if you are following his order, so this is not good. So what is the need to follow the order of those father who are engaging themselves in bad activities? So that's why you should always follow the instruction of the father who are engaging themselves into the Bhagwan Bhakti. So I have given you the example of Lord Ramchand because Dashrath Maharaj, he was so much engaged in the service of Lord Vishnu. I have told you the story of Jamnagni. Jamnagni, he was also a Brahman, and he was following the bhakti of Bhagwan. He was so much engaged himself in the Bhagwan Bhakti, Vishnu Bhakti. So that's why we should follow the instruction of the person who are engaging himself into the Bhakti, and the person and the parents who are not following the bhajan. So we should not follow their instruction or order. There is no use of it. This is useless. So I'm not saying that you should. So I'm not saying that you shouldn't follow the instruction of father. Those guru are not gurus who are not giving us that Krishna Bhakti. Those dear person are not dear person who cannot give us Krishna Bhakti. Those father, those mother, they are not like that who cannot give us Krishna Bhakti, who cannot encourage us in the Krishna Bhakti. So who is the mother father is our actually well-wisher, those who are engaging us ourselves into the bhakti of Bhagwan. So the person who cannot save us from this material birth and deaths, so we shouldn't follow the order of that person. So what is the use to serve the parents like this? You cannot get anything. In a general form, if the parents are Shuddha Sadachari, they are following all the rules and regulations, so maybe of this material world, so maybe you can get the Swargalok, maybe. So that's why you should follow the instruction of the parents who are engaging and observing Bhagwan Bhakti. So that's why the instruction is giving here. Yayati Maharaj, his big brother Yadu, so he was asking the youthfulness of Yadu, and Yadu asked that what you will do after taking my Yavan, my youthfulness. So you will engage yourself in the sense gratification. So that's why Yadu denied, because I have already surrendered myself into the lotus feet of Bhagwan. And second, and if you take my this youthfulness, so what you will do? You will engage yourself in the sense gratification. So that's why I cannot give you my this youthfulness. So in this way, in the same way, he asked to her his other 3 sons. So he has 5 sons. 2 sons from Devyani's womb and 3 sons from Sharmishta's womb. So at last, Puru. So there was the last sons of the womb of Sharmishta, whose name was Puru. So the Puru said that, okay, I will give you my youthfulness. So he has given the youthfulness to his father. So what he did after getting the youthfulness? So Yayati Maharaj, he was engaging himself in so much sense gratifications. So after engaging himself in so much sense gratification, he realized that there is no happiness after sense gratification. So if you are so much engaging yourself for sense gratification, so you will suffer. But that's why if you so much renounce, then you will be happy. So at least he realized that he but he has a good quality. He used to Leo. I didn't like this. At last, what he did. So by the Gyan and Vairagya, he performed some bhajan of Bhagwan. All things I have told you already. So in this way, hearing this Katha, Parikshit Maharaj, he said, Hey Gurudev, please tell me one thing, that how Yayati Maharaj got the Vairagya. Please tell me something about that Vairagya. Shri Shuk Uvacha. Shukdev Goswami is reading. So Sukdev Goswami Pad said, Hey Maharaj Parikshit, King Yayati, he was so much controlled by the ladies, and he engaged himself in the sense gratification, and after that he realized that he has lost everything now. Then being so much renounced, he told one katha to Devyani. Sometimes in this world, after so much sense gratifications, so there is a time come in the life that for a while you get renunciation from this world. So Yayati Maharaj, so he told his wife Devyani. So he was describing the life history. So he was just giving the comparing and giving the examples that what I have done in my life. So he was telling his whole history to Devyani. Hey Bhragunandini, because Bhragunandini, Devyani. Hey Bhragunandini, I am just telling you the true story of this world. So now he is telling his life history to Devyani. So directly he is not saying, actually indirect way, he is just giving some comparison. There was a goat. Bakri goat. Hey, goat. Sheep means bhed. Bhed means sheep. So everybody has to. Chapter 5, which verse? ये 5वां अध्याय चल रहा है कुछ? 5वां अध्याय? ये 5वां अध्याय? ये 5वां अध्याय चल रहा है क्या भागवत में?
नहीं, ये श्रीमद् भागवत नवम 9th canto
19th chapter and श्लोक नंबर
श्लोक नंबर आपकी तरफ श्लोक नंबर 3 की कथा हम कर रहे हैं.
So I am telling about the 3 number shloka. Okay, you got maybe?
वस्तव एको वने कश्चित्
9th canto 19th chapter and 3rd number shloka.
विचिन्त्यन्यं प्रिय आत्मं तदर्थकूपे कोदीनां पतितान् सकर्मं आश्रमं जगत् अजाम बकरी.
Aja means Bakri, the goat.
एक बकरा था.
So there was a goat.
वह वन में अकेला ही अपने मन को अनुकूल वस्तुएं खोजता हुआ घूम रहा था.
So he was searching the favorable things for himself in the forest. So what he saw,
कर्मों के फलस्वरूप
according to his karma,
अवस्था में हुए
there was a she goat was falling down into the well, kind of helpless. Yes,
कैसे जाति महाराज
Devyani को बचाए.
देवजानी को साथ मिले. याद रखो, एक ही कथा केवल उदाहरण के साथ.
So he is giving this example, like he's comparing his life history like a goat.
घूमते घूमते
There was a he goat and he was wandering here and then, and he came to the bell, and what he saw, there was a goat, she goat is falling down into the bell.
ये बकरा बकरी के उदाहरण दे रहे हैं.
Yes,
मैंने अपना और देवजानी की
Devyani ka. Now he is telling the story of his and Devyani.
बकरा बड़ा कामुक था.
So the he goat was so much lusty,
कुएं से बाहर निकालने का उपाय सोचने लगा.
so that God take
उसने अपने सिंह के अग्रभाग से कुएं के पास की मिट्टी खोद डाली और उस बकरी को निकालने के मार्ग बना दिया.
so he take out
सुंदर
that Devyani from the well.
जब कुएं से बाहर
When
निकले,
that goat came out from she goat came out from the well,
बकरी की पति रूप में वर्ण करना चाहा. बकरा बड़ा हिष्ट-पुष्ट.
so the he goat was so much healthy and handsome, and he was experts in all kinds of colors.
मिलाकर बकरियों के सुख देने वाला था. अपने को बता रहे
So now he is saying himself
कैसे.
that how I was so handsome, I had beard. So he is comparing with like this,
किसके साथ तुलना की?
Bakri के साथ. So Yayati Maharaj is comparing himself as Bakri,
बकरी के साथ
Bakra, goat, and he got, and he is comparing Devyani in a she goat. So when that she goat make him that her husband,
इच्छा करने लगी. पति को खोजने तो पहले ही थे. क्योंकि ये जगत के सब संपत्ति सुंदर ही है. सभी सोचता है ये पुरुष हमें मिल जाए, ये पुरुष हमें मिल जाए.
so this is the rituals of
आगे चलते
this. In this world we have seen that girls wants the boy, boys want the girls. So in this way,
जब
Sven,
वो बकरा
that he got,
बकरी के साथ रहने लगे.
is saying with she got.
अनेक प्रकार आनंद उत्सव आदि कर
So
रहे.
in this way,
दूसरी
that he got and she got, they were playing each other.
विचार करने लगे.
So in this way, the she gods was thinking,
हो जाए.
huh?
इसलिए उन्होंने क्या
मेरा भी
की?
ऐसा हो जाए. So in this
उसने
way,
अपने ही अनेक बकरियों के काम भावना को बढ़ाते हुए और उसके साथ व्यवहार किया. इस प्रकार वह अपनी खुद को बैठा और अपने स्वरूप की उपलब्धि न कर सका. कुएं से निकाली हुई प्रिया ने जब यह देखा कि उसका पति तो अपनी दूसरी प्रियतमा बकरियों के साथ विहार कर रहा है, तो उसने उसका वो कृत्य सहन नहीं हुआ. बकरी अपने पति के अश्लील आचरण से बहुत दुखित हो गई.
so that
उसने विचार किया तो मेरा पति तो मित्र के वश में वास्तव में शत्रु का ही काम कर रहा है. बकरी विचार करने लगी.
so the she god was thinking,
ऊपर से मुझे प्रेम कर रहे.
so externally he is loving me,
अंदर में,
but
भीतर में
internally he is loving with another gods, she gods. He is playing so much activity with another she gods. So in this way, so
अपने काम में पति का त्याग करके अपने पालन करने वाले व्यक्ति के पास चली गई। ये ठीक नहीं, जैसे कि मैंने कहा उदाहरण दिया रखना क्या बोलता है
Shukracharya. When Devyani got to know that Yayati Maharaj is engaging himself with the Sarmishta and he is playing so much Ras Krida with the Yayati Maharaj, so in this way she went to his father Shukracharya. So at that time that he got went to
वह बकरी अपने पालन करने वाले के बाद पहुंची तो एक ब्राह्मण था, बेटी का दस थे। कथा सुनकर वो ब्राह्मण ने क्रोध से आकर बकरी के लटकाते हुए लंबे पंडुरुस का काट दिया। अब ब्राह्मण को इस प्रकार उपायों का जानकर था। तब वो बकरी ने उसकी पुत्री के ही हित के दुहाई देकर बहुत अनुरोध किया।
So what happened now? Now very interesting story is coming. So everybody has to be there. So now what happened? How he is giving the example. Yes. Yayati. Shukracharya. So what Shukracharya did? So he has given the curse to Yayati. Napunsak ho jaya. So Napunsak means that your senses will won't work anymore. So in this way he has given the curse to Yayati Maharaj. So in this way Yayati Maharaj is telling the story to Devyani. So that got the curse from his father. And after that, so Yayati Maharaj again, when he got his youthfulness from the Puru, so he got the youthfulness from Puru, and again he started sense gratification, engaging himself in sense gratification. So in this way, so my condition is like the same goat he got who has been tied in your love and control. So I was so much attracted with your form, so I have forgotten the identification of my soul. Sansar. So seeing the beautiful form of Maya, everybody has forgotten Krishna. This is the biggest mistake of the jivas. Actually here what he's saying, when Jeev attracted towards so much towards ladies, so it's really hard to escape himself from that ladies. So Istri, the ladies are the form of Maya. That's why in the Ram Leela, Bhagavan Ramchandra, he killed Tadka. So first he killed Tadka, and in the Krishna Leela, Bhagavan killed Putna. So because the ladies is the form of Maya, and the Purush, he would like to enjoy the ladies. So in this way he forgets his own swarup. So actually they forgets their adharma and adharma. So the person who are they attracted so much attracted towards ladies and they engage themselves in so much bad activities, even they go so fall down, means like just like the example is giving, there was a boy, so her mother nourished him. So after his birth his father died, so his mother, so with so much hardships she brought up the child. So she was working in many people's house and getting money, and that's why she was nourishing him and feeding foods and all and education. So with so much love and affection she brought up the child. So when the boy became young and he was educated, so there is rules of this world. So when the young youthfulness come, one young man attracts towards another lady and the young lady attracts towards the boy. So her mother was not aware about this. His mother was not aware about this. So he was meeting with that girl in a hidden way. So in this way no one was aware, but her mother loves him so much. His mother loves him so much. So until he hasn't take the food, her mother is not taking food. In this way, for her son, she has so much love and affection. And here that boy, he was doing loving affairs with that girl. Tagore Premanande Hari Hari Bol, Brajvasi Gano Ki Jai Ho. So one day, that boy said, so how we can, how long we will meet in this hidden ways? It is not right. We should get married. So after getting married, we should live in this world. This is right. For we are meeting here in a hidden way. This is not good. And if we will meet like this, so we cannot get the higher planet. So that's why we should get married. That's why I want to get married with you. So the girl said, because the girl is a form of Maya, she said, look, I can get married with you, but there is one condition. What is that? If you give me the heart of your mother, by cutting your hand, so I can get married with you. So what happened? So that boy who was so much controlled by that ladies, so he was ready to do any kinds of sinful activities. So just listen this example very carefully. So that boy said, okay, whatever you are saying, I will do the same. So that boy went to his mother at the midnight, when his mother, so he was going to cut the heart of his mother. So because it was a condition of the girl. If somebody fall down in this kinds of daldal, like a mud, daldal, you understand daldal? There is kinds of pond like where so much soil, and if you fall down in that, there is so much mud there, there is so much soil.
मुट्ठी में जब जितने उठने के प्रयास करो
So
उतना ही
how much you will try to raise up yourself, you will fall down. This is kinds of daldal. In Hindi it's daldal, and in English I don't know what it's saying.
उसी प्रकार से वो लड़की के प्रेम की दलदल में वो
So in this way, the person who engaged him,
देखो और धर्म के मां
so the person who engaged himself in the loving affairs with the ladies,
मेरा पुत्र कब आएगा और मैं
so they cannot escape themselves from this Maya. So in this way, that boy went to the house and her mother was sleeping. So her mother, she didn't take the food because she always take the food after his son. So when the son came, so this is the rule of that lady, is that she always takes the food after his son. So but his sons came late, so that's why she was just waiting for him. So she was just waiting for the son and she slept into the kitchen. And at that time what happened, that son came who was so much hard-hearted and he was so much cruel. So the mother who did everything for that child, so with a sharp weapon, a knife, he cut his chest and he take out the heart of his mother, and taking the heart of his mother, and he was running towards his girlfriend. So he was just keeping only one thing in his mind, that how have to give this heart to his girlfriend. So that boy is carrying the heart of his mother and walking and running. So because he was carrying the heart on his hand, so at that time his foot is stuck with a stone. Patthar. So at the same time when the feet stuck with the stone, so the heart of his mother fall down on the ground, and the heart broken into so many pieces. So at that time the sound was coming from that heart, "Oh my son." So maybe you must so much suffering because your feet touches the stone. So please sit on my lap for a while. So I will massage your feet. Toes. Because there is a blood is coming from your toes, so I can tore my sari and can tie your toes. So you can imagine yourself how mother was so much paining, how she has love and affection toward her son. And that boy who was so much hard-hearted, his heart was like a stone. So that girl, just because of what she made to that boy, you cannot imagine. So Yayati Maharaj in the same way is saying, he was telling the story of the he got and she got by the example of he got and she got. So if somebody one time in this world who is stuck in the loving affairs of the unchaste lady, so he cannot come out. Are you getting? You cannot understand now. One day when you will perform bhajan, you will come to know. In this way, Jayati Maharaj is saying, "Hey Sundari, hey Priye, So my condition is same like that he got.
और तुम्हारे प्रेम रूपी पास में
Because I have tied myself into your love and affairs.
और अत्यंत दीनहीन हो गया हूँ और तुम्हारी माया से मोहित होकर मैं आत्मस्वरूप को भी
So I have forgotten my original form, that who am I, just because of you, because I was so much attracted towards you. So what is the rules that how you can know the own Swarup? So you can get your own transcendental form by the serving of Guru and Vaishnava. In this earth, there are many kinds of positions and ladies and so many kinds of comfortable things. They cannot fulfill all the desire of that person. Just like if you put ghee into the fire, it will increase so much. In the same way, if you try so much, if you engage yourself in so much sense gratification, so you cannot get rid from all kinds of lusty things. So your desire will be increased more. So everybody has to learn the shlokas. If you want to save yourself from Maya, if you want to save yourself from brahmachari and sannyas, Najati Kama, learn this shloka. Every brahmachari has to learn this shloka. Gurudev used to tell this shloka so many times. If you have to stay in mud, so everybody has to learn this shloka. Najatu Kama, Kama, like this. If all brahmachari has to perform bhajan into the mud, so he cannot save himself of taking the red cloth also. Or also if you are taking this white cloth, you cannot save yourself from the Maya. So everybody has to learn this shloka all the time. Najatu Kama. Kaman upabhogyena sammati. Avishar, like this. So when your lust desires are not fulfilled, and by the engaging yourself, so our senses want more and more. If you are engaging yourself in so much sense gratification, so for a little while you will get renunciation, but after some time you will want more and more. Just like if you are itching, so you will love that, but after some time there is so much paining, so much. So in this way, if there is itching in somewhere and you itching yourself in that place, so for a while you will get so much pleasure, but after some times what happened, there was so much blood, so much rashes, so much many kinds of things comes out from there. So if you realize yourself, then you will come to know. So if you are doing itching, so there is so much pleasure in that blood, until there is no na jatu kama, like this. Na jatu kama, like this. So if you are itching yourself so much, some people who are suffering from this kinds of itching, so they will come to know, because if you are itching your skin, so for a while you will get pleasure, but after some time there was so much blood and all things will come out.
किंतु देखा आज देखो इतना आएगा मैं तो समझता नहीं था ठीक था रात में ठीक है
So nowadays Gurudev is suffering so much itching actually. He has something problem for the weather, so that's why he is suffering little bit itching. So Bhagwan, whatever the suffering Bhagwan is giving this life, so they would like to give the realize everything is not happen, or you cannot realize by the scriptures reading. So first you have to realize. So najato kama kamano bhogya sammati najato kama.
जब मनुष्य किसी भी प्राणी का वस्तु के प्रति राग द्वेष आदि वैष्णवी भावना नहीं रखता तब वो समदर्शी कहा जाता है और समदर्शी के लिए दिशाएं सुख प्रदान करने वाली हो जाती है। बुरी बुद्धि वाले लोगों के लिए विषय की तृष्णा भी तकना बहुत कठिन काम है। कैसे का शरीर जरा जीर्ण हो जाता है, किंतु तृष्णा सदैव नवीन बनी रहती है। ये संसार में काम क्रोध आदि
In this world, it's really hard to control your काम क्रोध लोभ मद मत्सर वाचो वेगम मनसा क्रोध वेगम like this. You have learned the shlok. So are you able to control your vacho vegam manasa krodha vegam udarupastha vegam? So ask yourself, ask your heart. So it is not, if you are telling to someone, no, it's not possible. First you have to realize yourself that have you over control yourself. The Panditji has learned so much shlok, but he didn't follow in his life. So actually there are many Pandits, they are not following the rules and regulations. Actually they are the Pandits, they are not implementing the shlokas. So they used to tell that I have learned so many shlokas, but they are not implementing in their life. So there are many Katha Vachak, there are so much Mayavadi. If you go to somewhere, they will speak so much big Katha. If you go to the Mayavadis, so they are so much scholar in the Sanskrit, they are so much learned in the shloks. I am not saying for everyone, but most of them are like the same way. So Advaitvadi, they are big Pandits, so much scholar, learned people. So they will speak so much thing, everything, but at last what they say, oh, we all are Brahma. They are not putting the Vaishnav Tilak, they are just putting a bindi only, because they would like to putting the bindi, because they would like to submerge into the Brahma, or sometimes some are putting Tripund Tilak. Tripund. What is the meaning of Tripund? We are putting the Urdu Punda Tilak. And Mayavati, he is putting Tripunda Tilak. Tripunda means, what is the meaning of this? Because every person is putting the tilak of his sampradaya. So this is our tilak, is the signification of Radha Krishna's temple on our forehead. And the person who are doing that, putting that tripund, Bhakti Bhagwan is nothing. Everybody is Brahma. Aswadan, 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 nothing is that. They are just putting the Tripunda Tilak.
Brahmalin.
They are saying themselves that we are Brahmalin. They put just
हम ब्रह्मलीन हो गए
they just
प्रभु
put one kind of circle on his forehead, and there means that everybody has to submerge into the Brahma. They are all so much learned scholar person.
इतने ज्ञान रखते हैं
They have so much knowledge about the grammar.
जो चाहे
Whatever they want,
ऐसे शब्दों को बना नहीं सकते
they can do.
किंतु उनके भाव भक्ति नहीं है
But they don't have Bhagavad Bhakti.
इसलिए कहते हैं नाम आत्मा प्रवचन लभ्यो
That's why it is said, Nayan Atma Prochni Labhyo Nami
जमे बुझे तीन रूप प्रसिद्ध आत्मा विप्रणते
Tanun Swam.
इसलिए यही कहते हैं
So in this way it is said.
तो यहाँ पर भी कह रहे हैं जो व्यक्ति शरीर जराजीर्ण हो जाता है किंतु कृष्णा शरीर को नवीन बना रहता है वृद्ध हो गया
Somebody has grown old,
तो नहीं है कि नहीं है
so still they have the calm growth lomo in his heart.
इंद्रियों अभी नहीं काम नहीं
So now
करती,
the senses are not working, but still they have so much desires in his heart.
क्रोध प्रकाश करे तो वो भग जाएगा
If they will,
इसलिए जबरदस्ती करके अपने क्रोध को क्या करते हैं दबा देते हैं समझ में आ रही
are you getting what I'm saying?
क्रोध है
They have anger in their hearts, but they are not expressing the anger towards Sevak. And if you
चाहे सेवक भी आप दो चार तय कर दीजिए बात नहीं सकते उल्टी सीधी बात सुना नहीं शरीर वृद्ध हो जाने से
if someone's bodies grow, if somebody's bodies is growing or they have become old, so it doesn't mean that they are because their senses are not working, doesn't mean they have calm growth and all kinds of vikar in their hearts. If somebody is manifested the fire of bhakti, so all kinds of calm growth and all vikar will be destroyed. So you have to learn this attentively. That's why our Rupa Goswami path. In the Uddeshamrat, he has given one shlokas, first shlokas, only by the performing bhakti you can control this all kinds of vikar. That's why Vacho Vegam, Manasa Krodho Vegam, Jiva Upardo Upasto Vegam. So how you can destroy or control these all kinds of vikar? By the bhakti. There is
जो भगवान के देश करने वाले काम को लोग हरि कथा में लगा दो
so your love turn into be the Hari Katha, listening Hari Katha, and your mind has to be engaged in the service of Bhagwan. Kaap, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Moh. So we must have so much attachment towards the devotees of Lord. Matsarya. There is no service of Matsarya. Kaam, Krodh. So all kinds of vikar turn into the service of Bhakti. Bhagwan. So all kinds of beg, whatever the beg you have, vikar you have, so you have to engage that vikar into the service of bhakti. So now there is. So how you can control the and how you can engage the Udar Upas in the service? Udar means taking prasad and upast.
काम जगता है कि नहीं जगता तो फिर आप बताओ सीधी बात हो हमारे त्रिविक्रम महाराज की कथा सुनो
Our Trivikram Maharaj, if you hear the Hari Katha of Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, so you will laugh so much. Otherwise, you will go from the place where Hari Katha is saying, where he is saying Hari Katha. You will leave that place. So whenever our Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, he used to do the Hari Katha, so many ladies and gents, they used to laugh. Because this is the duty of Sant Madhava, they always speak truth. So how you can control your Upastha Veg?
आप बताओ।
अरे उधर
वो भी बहुत खतरनाक है।
दिस इज वेरी डेंजरस।
हैं?
देख उधर उपस्थ वे उपस्थ
बताओ। हैं? दमन करना। इतना
it's not easy to control. So you
अरे भारत खाओ और नहीं मारो तब भी रहता है। एक आदमी व्रत करके 3 दिन व्रत रखता है, उसका क्या होता है? जो मोटा है उसके काम है, जो पतला है उसके काम नहीं है क्या?
so the person who has fat, he is also have calm, and the person who is thin, he also has calm. This is not the matter of mota patla.
उसके बाद के अमानी मानो यार कृष्ण नाम सदा लगे। कृष्ण नाम जब तक नहीं लोगे वो
So until you are not taking the Krishna name, bhalo khao bhalo piyo, it doesn't matter if you are taking good and speaking good. Even it is said bhalo na khaive bhalo na pive. This is the secondary symptoms, the mukhya symptoms. You have to chant the Krishna name. If you are not taking the Krishna's name, and if you are bhalo na khaiye bhalo na piye like this, you are saying like this. So this is the markat where aa gaya. Our Trikram Goswami Maharaj, if you have to read, you have to hear the lecture of Trikram Goswami Maharaj. Bhalo na khaiye bhalo na piye. This is the secondary symptom, and so you have to chant the holy name in a very, very deep mood. Very humbly you have to chant the holy name. So it is, we cannot say like that he is fat, he has so much calm, he is thin, he doesn't have calm. No, it not depends on the body. It's depend on the desire of your mind. If you engage your mind into the service of Bhagwan, then you will come to know. Then you can control all these things. 24 hours you have to engage your mind to the service of Bhagwan. Then your calm growth more will be destroyed. So Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada is saying, I am not saying 24 hours you have to engage your mind into the service of Bhagwan. Then gradually your all kinds of vikar will go away. So that's why there is a Kirtan in Vijana. Radhe tere, hey Radhe, tera bhajan kaise? How should I perform? Yes. Radhe, ये मन बड़ा चंचल है, तेरा भजन करूं कैसे, जितना इसे समझाऊं. Like this is a bhajan of the Brajvasis. It means, hey Radhe, my mind is so much restless, so how can I control it and how can I perform your bhajan? So this is not the humbly for us. Mama nivedan suna Aha, Jai Ho Gurudev. My Gurudev, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he used to say, actually, you have to express your heart before the Thakurji. Hey, do not cheat. Hey Gopinath, Mam Nivedan Suno. I am so much in sense gratification. I am so much lusty. I am so much engaging in the sense gratification of this material world. So please help me. So all kinds of anarthas is coming calm. All kinds of anarthas coming from calm. If you are so much lusty, that all kinds of anartha and aparadha will be done. Bhagwan himself is saying, Kama yeda kroshesha rajaguna samatguna. So wherever we are suffering this kinds of obstacles, so this is calm must be there. This all comes from Rajguna. That's why Kama Esha, Krodha Esha. Calm is the form of
हमें
pap.
नीच प्रवृत्ति लेकर के आते हैं।
So we get so much fall down, we get so much bad thoughts in our mind.
जितने नीच विचार कहाँ से आते हैं?
So all kinds of these bad thoughts comes from this calm. That's why it is saying Gopinath Mamu Simridanu.
আমি বিষয়ী দুর্জনা সদা কামারত কিছু নাই মোর গুণ গোপীনাথ মম নিবেদন শুন
Gopinath Mama Nivedana Suno. Are suno. Kirtan karo. I will do that kirtan. Gopinath.
हे गोपीनाथ
Hey Gopinath, please take me into your lotus feet. So you should pray like this. So my Gurudev used to say, cry, cry, cry and pray before the Lord. There is no other way. You have to cry before the Lord.
रोते रोते
Crying and pray, crying and pray, crying and pray. And pray before the Lord. हे गोपीनाथ मम निवेदन सुनो. हमारा जीवन सदा पाप है.
আমি বিষয়ী দুর্জনা সদা কামারত নাহি কো পুণ্যের লেশ আমার জীবন সদা পাপেরত নাহি কো পুণ্যের
Take out the.
পরে রে গুরুদে দিয়াছি যে কত দিয়াছি জীবের ক্লেশ ये सब करके
Gopinath
राधा कृष्ण प्राण मोर
Radha Krishna Prana Mora Radhe Jai Jai Madhav Daite. Everybody has to do these kirtans and pray before the Lord. These all are the Sharanagati's kirtan. One must chant. Very nice kirtans are there. Hey Bhagwan.
इसलिए यहाँ पर लिखा है समय के जाने
So now the time has come up. 1 hour is already completed. This is beautiful katha.
श्रवण होना है इसलिए करें बुरी बुद्धि वाले लोगों के लिए ईश्वर की कृष्णा को त्यागना बहुत ही कठिन काम है। व्यक्ति का शरीर जराजीर्ण हो जाता है किंतु तृष्णा सदैव नवीन बनी रहती है। शरीर तो बुढ़ापा है किंतु काम क्रोध आदि नया बना रहता है।
So this body will grow up and will become old, but our desires always are new. So just like if you are 16 years or 18 years old, you have the anger in your heart, and when you become old, the 80 years old, the same anger will be there. So desires is always new, but our body becomes old.
कामना रखता है तो वो शीघ्र अतिशीघ्र भोगों की कामना त्याग कर दे। अर्थात विषय तृष्णा सारे दुख की वाहन है। वास्तव में यदि अपने मंगल चाहते हैं,
If somebody wants something auspicious for them, so they have to give up these kinds of desires for sense gratifications.
यहाँ तक भी
Even
अपनी माता बहन और पुत्र की पुत्री के साथ भी एक आसन पर सटकर न बैठे। ये इंद्रिया इतनी अधिक बलवान होती है कि बड़ी बड़ी विद्याओं की विचलित कर डालती है। मात्रा 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 ससा गृहीतावा अभियुक्तासनो भवेत् भगवान इंद्रियो ग्रामो विद्यां को भी संकर्षति। इसलिए तो हम लोग कहते हैं लड़कियां इस तरफ बैठे और लड़के इस तरफ बैठे।
that's why we always used to say ladies sit one side, gents sit one side, because
कुछ नहीं है मैं मुक्त पुरुष हूं।
somebody people used to think, oh, I am the Mukh Purush, I am performing bhajan. That's why they sitting very closely. No, oh foolish person, the calm vikar will come into your heart from somewhere you cannot understand. That's why
क्या बोलते हैं तो बैठे क्या बोलते हैं
make a distance, social distancing.
हां सोशल डिस्टेंस
Always maintain the social distancing.
क्या बोले कोरोना के लिए पालन करें।
So-
क्योंकि सदैव के लिए है।
So today's we are following the social distancing for this coronavirus, but actually it is not the coronavirus, it is for the calm virus. So everybody has to maintain the social distance. Always man to man also not sit together very closely. What it's called? क्या? Gay? Homosexual? Homosexuals? Gay?
Homosexual.
Gays? Lesbians and gay? So two brahmachari cannot sit together closely. Well, stupid nonsense. And two girls also cannot sit together. Maintain the social distance. Brahmachari has to follow all these things also. Brahmachari or brahmacharni, everybody has to follow these rules. So they are showing so much friendly nature. Nobody's friend. You don't know. Gradually, gay. No, you are thinking he's my friend. No, it's not. And I'm the Mukta Purush, so we can stay together. No, it's not good. So that's why maintain the social distance for all the time, not for just coronavirus. So coronavirus, let the people know that you have to maintain the social distance. So because this coronavirus giving us less and maintain the social distance, coronavirus will go one day. One day it will go. जाएगा वैक्सीन आ जाएगी चला जाएगा मीन्स क्या है बीमारी आती है बीमारी तो बुखार कभी जाता थोड़ी ना और ये तो पहले भी था So now we have to take the lesson from the coronavirus that make the social distance, maintain the distance. Boys and girls cannot be, the boys and girls, they cannot sit together in isolated places. Girls and girls also, they shouldn't be stay together. Boys are boys, they are not staying very closely. So everybody has to follow the social distance. I have seen somewhere, I used to say, hey, make the social distance because your mind will be dirty. So you says, no, I don't have a calm, krodh in our hearts. No. So when you are free from the anarths, no, very closely sitting. So you are putting your thighs to another's thighs. Oh, feeling he's my friend. I am his friend. No. You have to make the social distance. Coronavirus is giving us a lesson. Ho jeev jago. Make the social distance. So when you are sitting, when you are sitting together, so you have to maintain the social distance. Do not sit so much closely, otherwise your mind will be dirty. So I am not saying, it's Bhagavatam saying himself. So if somebody got older and you don't think that, never think his Kamvikar has gone. No. Only his senses are not working, but his desire is so much working. He is so much young by his mind. So whatever the senses he desires he had in the 16 years or 18 years, still he has the same.
में कृष्ण के कितने गुण है, आपने कितना गुण जानते हैं, आपने तो एक गुण है जाओ गुण है।
So you're talking about the Krishna's gun, but you don't know your qualities or his qualities. So we have to know all these things also. So we shouldn't stay with our mother, sister, and daughters in one place, in isolated places.
एक ही आसन में बैठना भी नहीं चाहिए। सोशल डिस्टेंस, ये सोशल डिस्टेंस यही कोई भागवत के श्लोक है।
So this social distance,
की जो है बता रही भागवत की इसी श्लोक है।
so social distance is coming from this Bhagavatam shloka.
वह कि अपनी माता
Even with your
बहन,
even with your mother, with your sister, with your daughter,
एक ही आसन पर सट कर यहाँ पर
you closely, very you cannot sit very closely. Yes, I giving the example. He's my friend. I cannot live without him. That's why I'm putting my thigh to his thigh. It is not right. It is not good. That's why we shouldn't stay in this way. We shouldn't stay very closely. We have to maintain the social distance. So they are not listening the Hari Katha, but the gayness are coming inside their heart. So why are you hiding all these things? So that's why everybody sadhu has to be sabdhan. Many kinds of scholars and the pandits, their heart will be contaminated with all these things. So it is not possible by the knowledge. It's only can be possible if you lit the fire of bhakti. So there is a katha in the Ramayana. So which is topper? Gyan. One side Jnani are sitting and another side Bhakta are sitting. Jnani said. So there are many examples of Gyan in the scriptures. If you doesn't have knowledge, so you cannot discriminate what is good, what is bad. Without the knowledge, you cannot understand. You cannot make the discriminations. Knowledge gives us light. Ajnanatimirandasya jnananjan shalakya. If you get the knowledge, if you get the bhakti, so everything will be destroyed. But what Hanumanji is giving the example? It is true that it is mentioned in the Srimad Bhagavatam. So you have to light the knowledge. You have to light the lamp of knowledge in your heart. But if there is a lamp is putting, if there is so much wind is coming, so it cannot be burned. But money, jewels. If you keep some jewels like Suryakant Mani, Manikant Mani, jewels, Suraj. So there is one kind of jewels which is called Suryakant Mani. So it has so much kinds of light that it absorbs from the suns. So there is another jewels is Chandrakant Mani. This is the white color. Chandrama. So you will feel like this is another moons. Oh. So in the scriptures, all kinds of examples is giving Chandrakant Mani, Suryakant Mani. So there are many kinds of manis, jewels are giving examples in the scriptures. So that's why Hanumanji is saying, the knowledge is just like a lamp. It gives you light, but but if there is a little bit wind flow, so your lamp will be burned up, will destroy. But in somebody's heart, Suryakant Mani, Chandrakant Rupi Bhakti will be manifested in somebody's heart, Hava. So many kinds of wind will flow. So it cannot be extinguished. So that's why the bhakti is comparing like Chandrakant Mani, Suryakant Mani, Vaidurya Mani. So that's why bhakti is comparing like jewels, and knowledge is comparing like lamp. So lamp can be extinguished by the wind, but bhakti cannot be, money cannot be extinguished by wind. So if we have the bhakti rupi jewels in our heart, so it cannot be extinguished by many kinds of winds. Okay, Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Now we are going for Tulsi Aarti. ठीक है, गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल. We will discuss tomorrow.
मेरे हृदय में उन लोगों की लालसा बढ़ती जा रही है, और मैं इन सब लोगों का वचनों का त्याग करके अपने चित्त के पर ब्रह्म परमात्मा में लगाऊंगा. इस प्रकार सुख दुख आदि की सभी इंद्रियों की तथा मिथ्या अहंकार से पूर्णतः मुक्त हो जाऊंगा. और मैं हिरण के साथ मुक्त भाव से वन में विचरण करूंगा. अतः श्री कृष्ण ही जिनकी साथ सर्वस्व है, ऐसे भक्तों के साथ कृष्ण लीला में निमग्न होकर नित्य होगी. अतः समस्त विश्व के त्याग.
So after giving up all kinds of sanctifications, so I will get the association of sadhi who doesn't have any kinds of matsarsa vikar in their hearts. There is a shloka in the Srimad Bhagavatam, 3rd. Nirmatsaranam, like this. There is a shloka in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Dharma Projita Ketava. So we should get the association of the sadhus who have totally surrendered themselves to the lotus feet of Bhagavan and who doesn't have any kinds of vikar in their hearts. Nirmatsar Sant. Matsar means whose heart is not free from the Kam Krodh. Nirmatsar, Matsar. What is Matsar? So there are many kinds of fishes are staying in the seas, oceans. So they are taking so much water into their stomach. So in the same way, many kinds of fishes entering into the. So she take out the water and all the fishes inside his stomach. So what is the meaning here? Ishwa Desh Parayan, who are free from Ishwa, jealousy and Dvesh. Matsar means free from all kinds of vikar. Nirmatsar. So there are many examples in the Bhagavatam.
इसके साथ अगर वो मेरा भोग की बाधा होगा, इसलिए उसको क्या खत्म कर दिया जाए. मेरा भोग की बाधा पे जब उसको क्या कर दिया जाए, खत्म कर दिया जाए.
If somebody is making trouble in the science enjoyment, so we will always try to make him, out of the way.
तो हमारा भोग की बाधा.
If sadhu is saying that, okay, thank you.
तो इस साधु पे क्या कर दिया जाए?
So what we have to do, we have to kill that sadhu. If that sadhu will be stay, then we cannot enjoy our sense gratification.
कितने बड़े-बड़े मंदिर बनाया, वही रहा. कितने बड़े-बड़े संत महात्मा कितने आए, कितने चले. कवती मुद्रा हुई, कौशल कुशला. बस.
Who are you?
इसलिए कहते हैं इसने निर्मत्सर।
So that's why I'm Nirmatsar. Nirmatsar. So if you read the commentary of Nirmatsar means, so you will come to know there are many kinds of examples are giving.
इसलिए यहाँ पर जजाति महाराज कह रहे
So
हैं,
that's why Jajati Maharaj is saying, Devyani,
जानी
hey Devyani,
मैं यही चाहता हूँ।
I just want only one thing.
यहाँ पर जो लिख रहे हैं, पता नहीं ये टीका की विजिट करके लिख रहे हैं कि ऐसे ही लोग लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर निर्मत्सर संत महात्मा विराजमान है।
Who are there are Nirmatsans Mahatma is staying, so we have to get the association of that kinds of sadhu. This is my Vancha Kuntabhishak Namo Namah. Jai Ho. Thank you so very much. God Premananda Hari Guru. Now we are going for Tulsi Aarti. Hare Krishna.